So you guys went cut this last week?
Last week, and then God came during the week. And Thursday, he came finished cutting this. And,
Oh. Good job.
we found the old trail, but we'll come back.
Well, yeah. Where is that one?
Right along here.
Nah.
Promise.
Faster.
Oh, no need worry about going on the fence line.
Oh.
But we're coming to his property, 2 fences.
Oh.
But somebody went knock down the fence already, so it's on the ground.
Oh.
So you just gotta duck underneath. Coming back this road over here, we get the fence. Up the road, somebody left the top one, but then take out the next bottom one. So it's all on the ground. But that's the old trail, how we used to go this way. Straight across.
Right.
Straight across.
Right.
Up. Over. Yeah.
No.
Nice, right? New helmet.
No, it's not kind of old. Awesome. You can build Castro and
Oh, we live.
yeah, and not already here, yeah. Aloha.